This is DC Danton Crow Crusader, and I wanted to show you, look at our little pigeons already here. And Seymour, look, there's Seymour up there, and we have a few crows. And it's the 2nd of September, Saturday, and here's our little crows up there right above the Clever Fit sign. And before I continue, I picked something up at the DM today where I get my supplies for the birds. And I saw this, they have this in a different section, but this time they put a box of this along with the winter food. Going too fast, mister, on this road. And this says on it here, I want you to look at it here very closely. It says, Ganz Jahres Menü für Wildvogel. Okay, that means all year round food suitable for wild birds. In other words, what DM is saying and what they're producing is a certain type of seed that you can feed, that has everything in it that you can feed in the winter and in the summer. And why is that? Why is that? Why are they going through all that trouble to produce this? Okay? If you shouldn't feed birds in the summer. Why is that? See, they know that birds need to be fed in the summertime as well. Why don't these other people get it? Look, bird haters. Look at this. Okay? And by the way, Switzerland produces this as well. Okay, so I just wanted to show you this, how ridiculous these people are to say you shouldn't feed birds in the summertime or the fall or the spring. Okay, oh, here they don't want you to feed the birds at all. Zero. But I just wanted to show you that because that's not what industry thinks, and that's not what the rest of the world thinks. Okay, evidently there's a market for that, isn't there? What do you want to do? Run me over? Here we go. Come here, little babies. Here we go. These guys are not afraid. These guys are not afraid. But they were afraid because I walked next to the car. They didn't like that. Okay. Where's our little Petey? I don't see Petey here. I don't know if the janitor is here, but judging on the birds are not coming down, that could very well be. I'm going to throw some more seed out. But look at these pigeons, are so scared. Look at this. My goodness, I can't even walk by them. I think that says to me that they had a little bit of trouble here today. Well, let's throw down some more seed. I bought some more seed today. Okay, Seymour, we're going to get to you right in a second. But it is interesting how industry is, believe me, they do a lot of research before they produce products and bring them out into the market. And what that means is that you are, able and should feed birds all year round, okay? Otherwise they wouldn't produce such a product, would they? All right? That's not my opinion, is it? I'm sure they get the opinions of experts, don't they? So, that's how I see it. Okay, now, let's get down to business. Let's put this away for now. I may end up putting it on the sidewalk later. And, let's get down to the good stuff here. Okay? Here we go. Watch out, little guys. Okay, Seymour. Come on, guys. Actually, it was very nice and warm today. Blue sky, picture perfect fall day. Although theoretically it is still summer. But like I say, not in this region of the world. It really, fall has begun. So struggling a little bit today, and I have the last 2 weeks actually. I have anemia, and somehow I'm starting to take my iron pills, but they're just not doing anything. I was supposed to have an infusion of iron in the hospital about 5 months ago, but didn't do it. It's not the healthiest thing, and now I'm suffering some of the consequences of that, because now it's progressed to there are different stages of anemia. Now I'm entering the last stage, which is not good. Starting to get these red, purple spots all over my arms. It means there's not enough hemoglobin, not enough oxygen in my blood, which is why I'm so fatigued. I am so fatigued. I struggle to carry this bag here on the field. That's how fatigued I am. And all this happened just a few days ago. I guess it just reaches a limit. So I went out and bought some protein powder and vitamins and all of that. And those are little mule gulls. Look at that. Okay, honey. This is a huge bag, so I'm going to save part of it. Okay. Okay, my little Seymour. Here's our wet food. Hey, guys. They're getting pretty tame, aren't they? These little guys are getting pretty tame, aren't you? Aren't you pretty? Aren't you beautiful? Oh, yeah, he loves the wet food. Go ahead, baby. Go ahead. Go in there and get that wet food. I know you like it. There we go. See? They love that wet food. Okay. I think Seymour's right behind me. There we go. There we go. Okay. There's Seymour. Seymour. Okay, honey. Oh, it's a black-headed gull. Look at that. Just one. Did you see that? Well, as the weeks go by, we can expect them to come. There's Seymour. Wow, what was that all about? Looks like they ran into each other. What's the matter, Seymour? Are you okay? Hmm? It's a little bit off balance. Hope he's okay. Look how hungry they are. Ah, these poor things. This other silver gull has a bad leg. What's going on here today? There's the black-headed gull. Oh, there's a pair of them. Definitely that one silver gull's leg does not look right. He's favoring it. Wow, that's not good. That's not good at all. Maybe he sprained it. Hopefully he just sprained it. Their legs are very, they have, huge bodies, carry that weight, and their legs are very, very fine and spindly. They're not strong. Crows have rather strong legs. Charlie had very strong legs. So, okay. Well, it's close to 6:30, and still rather warm out. It's very quiet because the shopping center closes at 6 o'clock. So it's very, very quiet right now. There's plenty of eggs there. Everybody's getting what they need. Tomorrow's Sunday. Now, Seymour